What's up, guys? In this part of the course, I want to talk about fundamental analysis. Now, fundamental analysis is good. It's good to pay attention to this, but it only goes so far. Because, like I said, I've seen some of the best things out there, best stocks, best forex pairs, have some of like the craziest news, and they do absolutely nothing, or they do the complete opposite. So again, fundamental analysis trading should be taken with a grain of salt. So, fundamental analysis, what does that basically consist of? It's things that are going around in the entire world, right? So, obviously, as I'm making this right now, we are still dealing with a pandemic, right? A pandemic because of the COVID virus, right? COVID-19. So, with everything that's going around the world, there's a shortage, right? There's inflation. The housing market is through the roof. I mean, people are selling. There's piece of shit houses out there selling for double what they should be. Cars, right? You walk into a car dealership, guess what? You're not buying a brand new car for less than, not MSRP or below it, right? Dealerships are taking brand new cars and they're selling them for $5,000, $10,000 above MSRP. Okay, so everything that's going on, oh, and shit, even food prices are through the roof. So there's a lot of shit going on in the world right now, and fundamental analysis plays a big factor in that. Breaking news, right? If anything happens, right, any source of like breaking news will definitely affect the market, right? So obviously, unemployment rates through the roof, unemployment rates through the, getting better. These are all things that play a huge factor. Anytime there's breaking news, it will definitely affect the market. Oil, which is basically gas, right? So gas prices go up and they go down, they go up and they go down. Anything like gold and silver, anytime there's a shortage or the prices rise, it will always affect the market. Now, the entire calendar, right? How is this all broken up? This is all broken up into an economic calendar, right? The calendar is basically what will tell us of upcoming news, dates, events, anything like that. And this gives us the opportunity to make money, right? We can make money by knowing ahead of time to watch some of this stuff, right? We know by using the calendar to watch some of this stuff, set a timer to potentially come and make money. And we're gonna break all that down in the next video.